Now we should start.
आता मी नाही ते करू शकत.
ते पण आहे.
मला तर सगळ्यांना ऍडमिट करायचं.
Yes, I think Om Kumarji, we should start now.
Okay, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished members of Advocate Tax Bar Association, esteemed panelists, speakers, and guests. It is with great pleasure and honor that I welcome you all at the webinar on legal discussion organized by the Advocate Tax Bar Association. As the National General Secretary of Advocate Tax Bar Association, I am truly delighted to see such a remarkable gathering of legal minds, practitioners, and experts from across the nation. The formation of the Advocate Tax Bar Association was a significant step towards advancing the practice of taxation laws in our legal community. The Advocate Tax Bar Association has been established with a singular mission to benefit and empower advocates who specialized in taxation laws. Taxation law is a complex and ever-evolving field demanding specialized knowledge and expertise. By coming together under the umbrella of the association, we are creating a platform that will serve as a hub of knowledge, networking, and support. Our association is not just an organization, it is a community that is committed for its fostering excellence, promoting continuous learning, and facilitating the exchange of ideas among professionals who navigate the intricate landscape of taxation laws. We recognize the unique challenges and opportunities that advocates in this field face, and our aim is to address those challenges and leverage those opportunities collectively. Through seminars, workshops, webinars, and other collective initiatives, the Advocate Tax Bar Association will provide avenues for members to stay updated on the latest developments in taxation laws, enhance their skills, and connect with the like-minded peers. We envision this association as a place where knowledge is shared freely, mentorship is extended willingly, and the camaraderie among members fuel growth and progress. I invite each and every one of you to be an active participant in this journey. Your engagement, your insights, and your dedication will be the driving forces that shapes the trajectory of our association. Together, we can create a vibrant community that not only benefits its member, but also contributes positively to the legal profession and the society at large. Today's event makes a significant milestone in our journey to foster insightful discussion, share knowledge, and engage in constructive debates surrounding the intricate realms of law and taxation. With legal landscape constantly evolving, it is imperative that we come together to explore new perspectives, exchange ideas, and enrich our understanding of the legal framework that shapes our society. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the speaker, Mr. Deepak Bapat, an eminent lawyer practicing at Bombay High Court, who is our national president also, who have graciously agreed to share their expertise and insights with us today. Your presence here is a testament to your commitment to advancing the field of law and contributing to the collective wisdom of our legal community. I would also like to commend the diligent effort of the organizing team who have meticulously put together this event. Their dedication and hard work have ensured that we have a platform to engage in a meaningful conversation and broaden our horizons. As we delve into these various topics that will be discussed today, let us remember the importance of maintaining the highest standards of integrity, professionalism, and ethics in our legal practice. Let us strive to uphold the principles that underpin our justice system and work together a society where justice is accessible and equitable for all. I encourage everyone present to actively participate, ask questions, and make the most of this opportunity to expand your knowledge and network. With fellow legal enthusiasts, together we can pave the way for a brighter and more informed legal future. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you. Let us embark on this journey of intellectual exploration and collaboration. And may this webinar be a resounding success. Thank you. Now I request my speaker, Mr. Deepak Bapat, to start the journey.
Yes. Friends, first of all, I welcome all of you, those who have joined to the first such meeting organized by Advocates Tax Bar Association after its formation and means registration under the Societies Act year before. Friends, there are number of associations who are helping for the education of the professionals who are practicing in the field of taxation. But there are very few associations, those who have only advocates, those who are practicing in taxation as a member thereof. As far as education is concerned, there is no bar from whom to learn, as is said that in any profession, which are the noble professions like advocates or say doctors, even he becomes the age of 80, we say that he is still practicing. So for education, age is no bar. On the same line, the purpose behind formation of this association was to bring under one roof every advocate practicing anywhere in India under one roof. Because many a times when we approach to any authority or even to our clients, they normally ask us, Acha, you are practicing in taxation. The reason being, once you said that anyone is an advocate, they feel that advocate means the one who is practicing only in court. But that is not the thing, as everyone knows now, at least by practice, that the authorities before whom we appear are quasi-judicial authorities. And therefore, no matter the advocate is getting specialized under a particular field of law, but ultimately advocate is an advocate to interpret the provisions and advise the client accordingly is the basic function of an advocate. And therefore, we wish that all the advocates practicing anywhere in India with this brief introduction, I put before you that today we are starting with my lecture on a particular topic, that is appeals and writ petitions under the GST Act. And henceforth, we have in mind two kinds of such meetings to be arranged. Well, the first type would be that on a particular topic under direct as well as indirect taxes, the meeting will be arranged. And second one, we may arrange what we call it as a workshop or case studies, in the sense that in a workshop, not necessarily that the panelist may speak only on the topic given, but any person who is in practice will be allowed to raise any question. The others may feel that that is a basic thing that the one who is in practice must know, but that is not the case. Especially in the changing scenario like GST Act, it has become very difficult to read only the text, that is the bare law, and understand what is required to be done. So the idea would be to have such workshops is to give a boost or aid to a junior most practitioner in the field. And on that count, this second type of workshop would be arranged. We will be approaching to our, not only to our members, those who have means already become a member, but even to other professionals, those who are not a member, we will appeal to them to become a member of this Advocates Tax Bar Association. And those who are interested to give a lectures, we will request them to go give a lecture on this platform. Initially, our emphasis would be on a Zoom meeting like this, and later on, we may think of arranging physical seminars at various parts of our country. With these friends, we will start with the topic allotted to me today. And for that, give me a few seconds to share that PPT which I have prepared for your benefit.
Which are up, I hope, all.
I think it is properly shared now. So friends, as far as GST appeal is concerned, the major issue which lakhs of taxpayers are facing today is regarding the time limit granted for condonation of delay in filing appeals. And that is why we will start with the basic subsections of section 107, which provides for first appeal before the appellate authority. For filing appeal before any first appellate authority, time limit is provided at 3 months from the communication of the order. So far as this period is concerned, that is a reasonable period. 3 months is in that way a big period for filing appeal. Earlier, under the earlier law, it was hardly 60 days. As far as subsection 4 is concerned, the problem starts rather here, that the delay beyond 1 month in filing appeal cannot be condoned. The first appellate authority has no power to condone the delay, even though there is a sufficient cause properly shown. Friends, may I ask you, because whenever I have already earlier delivered the lectures in the other than big cities, I was told in Maharashtra to speak in vernacular language, but now this is a national platform. If I speak on Hindi also would be better. Because when I earlier spoke on the Uttar Pradesh Tax Bar Association, there the request was made. So in between, I think it would be better if I speak in Hindi also.